Yeah. So here we present new version of Spb Mobile Shell, Spb Mobile Shell 3.0. So the previous version is number one basalt Windows mobile application, and it's always was our main idea to make UI which is easy to use, which is really usable, and we believe that Windows Mobile could have really usable UI, and I think that's why it's number one basalt application, because people like that they can easily use their device. With new version, we try to target both mobile professional users like lawyers, doctors, but also typical consumers. They want to use the device for not only work, but for their, let's say, lifetime when you're on vacation or out of the office. So that's why we have two home screens. This home screen is for your more professional, for your work, when it's all your appointments there, all your emails, and the next screen is your, I would say, a lifetime screen when you're out of the office. So you have widget-based layout that you can customize yourself. We have different screens you can easily switch, and you can easily switch between these two layouts with just one gesture. Another thing is we have improved our contact manager. So we have all your favorite people on one screen. Again, a screen that you can customize yourself to make the pictures bigger, smaller, arrange them as you want. And these favorite people, when we call them favorites for a reason, because they are our most lovely people, our friends, our close co-workers, and we want to make the experience of dialing them not only easy to use but also enjoyable. When you see their pictures, when you can also, like, say, your call dial history or all your contacts. But when we work with pictures, we have found that one of the scenarios why pictures were not successful before, because people didn't have all the pictures of their friends on their phone. And we found that it's difficult to make all the pictures of all your friends and good pictures, but it's easy for everyone to make a picture of his own. And that's why we make integration with social networking.
Facebook.
Yeah. And what you can do for every your picture, you can, let's say, change ringtone and change picture. And in case change picture, you go to Facebook and download automatically all the pictures of that person. And everyone has good pictures of himself. Yeah. And that's how you can get all the pictures of every person, of your every friend. Yeah. And another thing that with new version we optimized our software for hardware accelerated devices. So it can work on both devices with no hardware acceleration, or if there is hardware acceleration for 3D, the device will benefit from that to make better 3D support. So things like that. So there's like very short overview of what is Mobile Shell. So there's UI improvement over Windows Mobile, and as always, what is number one importance? To make UI which is really usable, easy to use, and it's also what we achieved with the new version. We make it fun to use with all these nice 3D features, but also still keep it really usable. So everything is accessible with one, almost all the features accessible with one tab. If you don't want to use animations, you have fast access to all the features without all these animations. Yep. So that's a short overview about what is Spb Mobile Shell 3.0.